I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, we study partial differentiation. Let z equal to f of xy be a function of x and y. Here, x and y are independent variables and z is the dependent variable. Z is depending on both x and y. Then, differentiation of z with respect to x is denoted by dou z by dou x, and in this case while differentiating z with respect to x we treat y as a constant quantity. Okay, so this is the differentiation of z with respect to x, treating y as constant quantity, and this is defined as the partial derivative of z with respect to x. Similarly, we can define z with respect to y, that is, it is nothing but dou z by dou y, differentiation of z with respect to y, treating x as constant quantity. So they are denoted by dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. These are the first partial derivatives, and dou z by dou x also denoted by like this also, f suffix x, and similarly dou z by dou y is also denoted as f suffix y. Okay, and if you go to the higher order derivatives, suppose we have the function u equal to a function of x, y, z. Here x, y, z are independent variables and u is the dependent variable. Then we can differentiate u with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, and so on. So here ux means this is the differentiation of u with respect to x partially, that is derivative of u with respect to x, treating y and z as constant quantities. Similarly, uy is the differentiation of u with respect to y, treating x and z as constant quantities. And similarly, uz is nothing but dou u by dou z. Here this is nothing but the differentiation of u with respect to z, treating x and y as constant quantities. These are the first derivatives of u with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. What about the second derivatives? So if I write uxx, means this is nothing but differentiation of ux with respect to x. Okay, differentiation of ux with respect to x, and this is denoted by like this also, ux square. Also we can write like this. This is nothing but differentiation of dou u by dou x with respect to x, that is dou by dou x of dou u by dou x, and we denote this by dou square u by dou x square. Similarly, uyy or uy square is nothing but dou square u by dou y square, and uzz is equal to uz square. This is nothing but dou square u by dou z square. Now here I am writing this uxy. So these two are different here. The meaning of this is differentiate ux with respect to y partially. Okay, first we have to differentiate u with respect to x partially, then we have to differentiate with respect to y partially. This is nothing but dou by dou y of ux, differentiation of ux with respect to y partially. So that is dou by dou y of ux, means this is nothing but dou u by dou x, and this can be written as dou square u by dou y dou x. So that is uxy is nothing but dou square u by dou y dou x. Similarly, uxz is equal to dou by dou z of ux, differentiate ux with respect to z partially. Okay, dou by dou z of ux. This is equal to dou by dou z of ux, means dou u by dou x. This is equal to dou square u by dou z dou x. Okay, and third order derivatives. If I write ux square y, the meaning of this is differentiate ux square partially with respect to y. That is nothing but dou by dou y of dou square u by dou x square. Okay, dou by dou y of dou square u by dou x square, and this can be denoted as dou 3u by dou y dou x square, and so on. Okay, then we go for some examples. If f of x comma y is equal to tan inverse of x by y, find fx, fy, fxy, fyx, and verify fxy is equal to fyx. Okay. So given function is okay. F of x comma y is equal to tan inverse of x by y. We have to find out fx, fy, fxy, fyx, and we have to verify fxy equal to fyx. First we differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. Then I am getting fx. Okay, fx is equal to. What is the differentiation of tan inverse x? It is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, tan inverse of x by y derivative is 1 by 1 plus x by y square. That is x square by y square into differentiation of this x by y with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x. With respect to x, 1 by y is a constant quantity into derivative of x is 1. Okay. And here if I take the LCM here, y square is the LCM, this becomes x square plus y square, and this y square goes to the numerator. Y square by y, that gives 1 y in the numerator, that is y by x square plus y square. This is our fx. Similarly, to find differentiation with respect to y partially, differentiating with respect to y partially, we get fy is equal to, again, tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square by y square into derivative of x by y with respect to y. With respect to y, x is a constant quantity into 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square. Okay. Again here, taking y square LCM, we get y square plus x square or x square plus y square divided by y square. I will write this y square in the numerator. This y square gets cancelled. What remains in the numerator is minus x divided by x square plus y square. This is our fy. Next I will find out fxy. Okay. So fxy is nothing but differentiation of fx with respect to y. That is dou by dou y of fx. That is dou by dou y of. What is fx here? Fx is here y by x square plus y square. Okay. I am differentiating this with respect to y. So numerator consisting of y, denominator also consisting of y. Therefore, we have to use the quotient rule. Okay. So we are differentiating with respect to y. Here in the denominator we have denominator square, x square plus y square whole square. Coming to the numerator here, denominator into x square plus y square into derivative of the numerator, derivative of y is 1 because we are differentiating with respect to y. Okay, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 minus numerator is y into derivative of the denominator. Derivative of this is x square derivative is 0 plus y square derivative is 2y. So denominator is x square plus y square whole square. In the numerator we have x square plus y square minus 2y square. So that means x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. This is our fxy. Then what is fyx? This is nothing but the differentiation of fy with respect to x partially. What is my fy? Fy is here minus x by x square plus y square. So that is, this is dou by dou x of fy. That is dou by dou x of, okay, this is to be x. Dou by dou x of minus x by x square plus y square. So again here, numerator consisting of x, denominator also consisting of x, therefore we have to apply the quotient rule. The first here in the denominator we write the denominator square, x square plus y square whole square. Coming over here, denominator into x square plus y square into derivative of numerator with respect to x, it is equal to minus 1 minus, I have to write minus, numerator is minus x, therefore this becomes plus, minus of minus plus, numerator into derivative of the denominator, x square plus y square derivative is 2x plus 0, this is our 2x. So this is equal to minus x square minus y square plus 2x square. That is 2x square minus x square is 1x square minus y square. So x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. See, the right hand sides of these two are same. Therefore, left hand sides must be equal. fxy is equal to fyx. Next example. If f of x comma y equal to x to the power of y plus y to the power of x, show that dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. Okay. So consider the given function. And we have this formula. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. This we know. Okay. Now here, what is my f here? F is equal to, okay, x to the power of y plus y to the power of x. First I will find out fx. That is differentiation with respect to x, treating y as constant. So here y is a constant quantity, right? Y is a constant quantity. Then what is the differentiation of x raised to n? It is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, differentiation of x to the power of y is y into x to the power of y minus 1, because y is a constant quantity here, plus. This is in the form of a power of x. A power of x derivative is a power of x into log a. So, differentiation of this is y power of x into log y. Okay, y raised to x into log y. Next, differentiating with respect to y partially. Then here, coming to here, we are differentiating with respect to y partially. X is a constant quantity, okay, and y is the variable here. This is in the form of a raised to x. Therefore, differentiation of this with respect to y is x to the power of y into log of x, plus, coming over here, y is the variable, x is the constant quantity. Then derivative of y to the power of x with respect to y is x into y to the power of x minus 1. Okay, this is x into y to the power of x minus 1. Then we find the second derivatives. fxy. fxy means differentiate fx partially with respect to y. That is dou by dou y of fx. This is equal to dou by dou y of, what is fx? fx is here, y into x to the power of y minus 1 plus y to the power of x into log y. This is equal to, we are differentiating with respect to y here. This is the first term, both consisting of y. Okay, therefore we have to apply the product rule. First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. So first function is y into differentiation of the second. Okay, differentiation of x to the power of y minus 1. We are differentiating with respect to y. X is constant quantity. Therefore, its derivative is x to the power of y minus 1 into log of x. Okay, x to the power of y minus 1 into log x. This is first function into derivative of the second, plus second function x to the power of y minus 1 into derivative of y with respect to y is 1, plus. Coming to the second term here, y power of x and log y, both consisting of y. Again we have to apply the product rule. First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. What is first function? It is y to the power of x into derivative of the second. Log y derivative is 1 by y, plus second function is log of y into derivative of first, y to the power of x. Here we are differentiating with respect to y. X is a constant quantity. Therefore, differentiation of y to the power of x is x into y to the power of x minus 1. So that is y into x to the power of y minus 1 log x plus this is as it x to the power of y minus 1 plus this is y to the power of x minus 1. Okay, y to the power of x minus 1 plus log y x y to the power of x minus 1 as it is. I will take this as a 1. Next I will find out fyx means differentiate fy partially with respect to x. That is dou by dou x of fy. So dou by dou x of fy. This is equal to dou by dou x of What is fy? Fy is x to the power of y log x plus x into y to the power of x minus 1. This is equal to, so here this is the first term. We are differentiating with respect to x, both consisting of x, we have to apply the product rule. First function x to the power of y into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second function log x, derivative of x to the power of y. Here y is a constant quantity, so therefore derivative of x to the power of y is y into x to the power of this is first one is x to the power of y into 1 by x plus second function is log x into x to the power of y derivative, x to the power of y derivative with respect to x. So that means y is a constant quantity. This is just like x power of n. Okay, its derivative is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, this is y into x to the power of y minus 1 plus derivative of this is y plus. Coming to this term here, this also both the terms this term consisting of x and x here. Therefore, I have to apply the product rule. Again, first function is x into differentiation of this. Here y is a constant quantity, x minus 1 is the variable. So its derivative is y to the power of x minus 1 into log y. Okay, y to the power of x minus 1 into log y plus second function y to the power of x minus 1, derivative of x is 1. Okay, so this is equal to this is x to the power of y minus 1 plus second term as it is log x into y into x to the power of y minus 1 plus x into y to the power of x minus 1 log y plus y to the power of x minus 1. I will take this as a 2. See, compare the right hand sides of 1 and 2. X to the power of y minus 1 is here, x to the power of y minus 1 is here. Log x y x raised to y minus 1. Log x y x raised to y minus 1. X into y to the power of x minus 1 log y. X into y to the power of x minus 1 log y. Y to the power of x minus 1. Y to the power of x minus 1. So RHS of 1 and 2 are same. Therefore, LHS must be same. That is dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to dou square f by dou y dou x. Okay. Next example. If f equal to x square into tan inverse of y by x minus y square into tan inverse of x by y, show that dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. So here f equal to x square into tan inverse of y by x minus y square into tan inverse of x by y. Differentiating with respect, here this dou square f by dou x dou y means first we have to differentiate with respect to y, then with respect to x. So for that, first I will find out dou f by dou y. So dou f by dou y is equal to, I am differentiating partially with respect to y. So x square is a constant quantity as it is. Tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square into y by x derivative with respect to y. 1 by x is a constant quantity. Y derivative with respect to y is 1. Okay. Next minus. Here I have to apply the product rule. First function y square. Derivative of the second. Tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square by y square into x by y derivative with respect to y. Okay. X by y derivative with respect to y. X is a constant quantity. 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square. Okay. Next. Because minus sign is here, I will take minus sign here. Minus here. Minus. Second function. Second function is tan inverse of x by y into derivative of the first. Y square derivative is 2y. This is our dou f by dou y. And if I simplify this, I will write this as, see here x square LCM, then this becomes x square plus y square by x square. And if I write this x square in the numerator, this becomes x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 divided by 1x is here. This becomes x cube. So numerator becomes x cube, denominator becomes x square plus y square. Next, here minus into minus is plus. Okay, and I can cancel this y square and y square. And in the here in the denominator, y square is LCM. This becomes y square plus x square, or we can write x square plus y square by y square. I will write that by y square here in the numerator. So what remains in the numerator? Y square into x. Y square into x divided by x square plus y square. So y square into x divided by x square plus y square. Next minus, and this is as it is, tan inverse of x by y to y. Okay. So that is, again here in these two terms, if I take x square plus y square LCM, then here I am getting x cube plus xy square. And if I take x square common factor here, I will get x common factor here, I will get x into x square plus y square. Okay, minus tan inverse of x by y into 2y. X square plus x square plus y square, x square plus y square gets cancelled. Only x remains in the first term, that is x minus tan inverse of x by y into 2y. This is our dou f by dou y. Next, differentiating this with respect to x, that is dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. That is dou by dou x of dou f by dou y is nothing but x minus tan inverse x by y into 2y. Okay, so this is equal to derivative of x is 1 minus we are differentiating with respect to x, therefore 2y is a constant quantity. Okay, so 2y constant quantity, and this tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square by y square into x by y derivative with respect to x, 1 by y constant quantity, derivative of x is 1. Here this y gets cancelled, and here if I take the y square as LCM, I am getting y square plus x square or x square plus y square, and this goes to the numerator. So that is y square. What I am getting here is 1 minus 2y square by x square plus y square. Again, if I take LCM x square plus y square LCM, here I am getting x square plus y square minus 2y square. So x square plus y square minus 2x square is nothing but x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. This is our dou square f by dou x dou y. Next example, if z equal to 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 1 by 2, show that x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y is equal to y square into z cube. What we need to do here, just we have to find out dou z by dou x, multiply this by x, find out dou z by dou y, multiply this by y, then consider this minus this. Then we get y square into z cube. Okay, the given equation is z equal to 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is my z. If I differentiate this with respect to x, I am getting first power derivative minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of this bracketed quantity with respect to x. One derivative is 0, derivative of this is minus 2y, okay, derivative of this is 0, so that is minus 2y. Here this 2 gets cancelled, minus into minus becomes plus, this is equal to 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 3 by 2 into y. And can we write this as, this term can be written as 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 1 by 2 whole cube. This to the power of minus 1 by 2 is nothing but z. Okay, this becomes y into z cube. Okay, y z cube. And if I multiply this by x, we get x dou z by dou x equal to x y z cube. I will take this as a 1. Next, differentiating partially with respect to y, the given equation, it is again minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of this with respect to y. With respect to y, one derivative is 0. Here this is minus 2x plus 2y. Okay. Or we write this as taking minus 2 common factor here. Then I am getting x minus y minus 2 into x minus y. And 2 gets cancelled. Minus into minus plus. What remains is, I am getting 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 3 by 2 into x minus y. Again, this can be written as 1 minus 2xy plus y square to the power of minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3. That gives it is nothing but z cube. So this is, I am getting x minus y into z cube. Multiplying this equation by y, we get y into dou z by dou y equal to, multiplying by y, this gives xy minus y square into z cube. I will take this as a 2. Now subtracting, consider 1 minus 2. X dou z by dou x minus y dou z by dou y is equal to xyz cube, or here z cube common factor, I will get xy minus xy plus y square. Xy minus xy gets cancelled. This is equal to, finally what remains is y square into z cube. This is the required equation. Okay, thank you. I will stop here.